Hey guys, welcome back to How Bling Nails It, and this is Morningstar. It's nice to see you again. It's been a little while since my last upload, so today I'm trying to ease back into a nice relaxing freestyle nail art section. So I'm glad you guys are here. I hope everybody's been doing well since the last video. If you're new here, this channel is about creating gel sets, techniques, and letting the polish inspire the design. So in this video, I am working with this swatch nail, and I am using colors from Phoenixy, if I'm pronouncing it right, and it's actually pretty nice. And I'm also using this solid gel by Meet Across. So I am starting with now applying this pretty pink as my base color. So I'll have a smooth foundation, a smooth surface to work with. And I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm taking my dotting tool and I am going to make me a few hearts.
Real bad girl, ma get nasty. I do whatever I want just because I'm bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. Never get my phones and him still falling in love. Yes, and not anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and peas, body hotter than jollof. I feel bigger taste anyway, you see my pass.
And if you hear this song, then go on bend your back. Go on bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. With the DJ, please turn up the bass to the max. Please just.
Now I'm gonna take some of this solid gel, and I am going to roll me a few balls, and the objective here is to create me a teddy bear face. So that's what I'm doing here. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you haven't subscribed, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. And if you're enjoying the video so far, and I appreciate it if you just go ahead and hit that like button. It will definitely help the video and my channel grow. I'm fairly new to making these videos. I had started sometime mid to late last year. I thank you for all the subscribers I have gotten so far. I'm still trying to get used to uploading and providing you videos on a consistent basis. But I am a woman of many talents, I shall say, and I am doing a lot of different things, but I'm also a commercial driver, so I do drive trucks. So I can't get a video out as often as I would like, but I would definitely work on trying to get more videos out, a little bit more consistent. So I appreciate all of you who have supported my channel thus far, and I just want to send you a big thank you.
Special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can't tell the truth. Ooh, I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes.
So I'm just placing my eyeballs, but I'm going to go back inside and retouch my black on it, on the nose especially. And then I'm just going to give it a little color.
Telling me you feel fine. Never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave in your side. Wanna keep you in my life, don't need to move. Whenever you here, I feel like I can't lose. Baby, I wanna ride with you, oh, I got
So since I got my teddy bear, so what so-called squared away, I am gonna give him a white shirt and accent it with a black. Work out his bow tie and make him look halfway up to par. I'm not a good artist. I'm just trying my best and going with it. Okay, I am going to finish him off by bedazzling him and the nail. So I'm going to flash cure in between, and this will be my finished product. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. It would really help if you can give it a thumbs up and support my channel. I thank you all for taking the time and joining me today. Be safe out there, and so long for now.
Mila de mamom bom.